Handling numerous Linux servers can feel daunting, especially regarding performance checks. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate my approach to monitoring over 300 Linux servers with a straightforward shell script, visualizing the data in Grafana. It's efficient, lightweight, and scalable. Welcome to devopsimind, where we make server management and automation easier. If you're passionate about DevOps, monitoring, or Linux tips, be sure to subscribe. We will collect crucial metrics, including CPU usage, memory consumption, disk space, and PostgreSQL connections using a shell script. There are no cumbersome agents involved. We'll only use native Linux commands. Here's a glimpse of our script. You can schedule it to run every 5 minutes with a cron job. Next, we send these logs to a central server. Grafana then retrieves the data from sources like Prometheus or Loki. We can create dashboards that display server health, observe trends, and configure alerts for when specific thresholds are exceeded. This approach is lightweight, doesn't depend on external agents, and is highly customizable. You can adapt it to monitor Nginx logs, SSH access, or tailored scripts. If you're interested in the complete script and setup instructions, please check the link in the description. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment if you need assistance setting this up on your servers.